ebusian for aha Ghana TV message like, comment, subscribe, then on notification and so that anytime every video bit is away, a post here usambe kebi. Ebusian for ere muade bia emi mobo esan say ebusian for meaning say most of the things are politics, but beyond politics so be humanity as human beings, no. Yeah, who say obi fa bibima. Sometimes a felima sanipano, whether it's by the person's fault or not, a felimano. Now and then me who next bia ya surgery. I surgery. I say why I operation.
The pains near there me go through no. For working for 10 months I
won yim honum side. Our operation air fresh, still or treaty wound no from operation no. Na sani panso ene OTC street no so. Our ye demonstration. Adentia. John Dramani Mahama buying Denika 10 months. 10 months so. Omo person vasika no mama. Ebra ministers, adodoa, CEOs, committee members, board members. Go for omo qualify po. Omo nyina no aban we afa omo salary month after month. Ebra obi a we wumpo ye validate sa nepa no a oji ni salary. Yeah, but obi a oye juma ma aban we obi juma ma oman we a oye nurse ni 10 months ni joma ma se oni ska beti omo. A teacher phone so sa say obi a why surgery pa o. Eno kra na emi ya wasem ne mu. Obi a why surgery. Onu so ethics so a just asem na ye very very da I am mobo pa. Mobo enya kufado aban Ghana ni. Nakufado Ghana ni. Na ebusianfo me share videos no sa no. And I'm copy video back obesu. Ebusianfo debi. Me mate. Ebra me call university no. Say me first degree me nursing. First degree university me nursing. And me say me ska omuchi omo no me enye enti me nye. Any YouTube juma me. Right. But YouTube juma is better than the nursing. Me Canada mo. Better. Way better. Way better than the nursing. So ko jina 9 to 8 hours. We yin crofom penny for pampers. We jarring crofom mommy o draw o ebri me kwa muntimi do na odi dwane ma omu nyina na enu nyina echi no 10 months na entua ukai na me meet our nursing officer guy no ebra was school no very intelligent guy ono so wom yantia no okasa before the camera you say I ready Bonnie Bain we wait like I say nurses no almost say omako talk about my ATMPP but beyond that no humanity no there be ade I kosu nenye John mama tio muka why ade Bonnie Bain e wish for happiness no Sadiq Adam ni video a okasafa sansem we ho the way ghost names but they be anya sky betua nurses ni teacher for no happiness video enti. Don't go anywhere. The video is happiness. I'll see you in the next one.
So, I say I juma 10 months na yinchia yeka. Me I make say I am operation last month as you see a chrono that's one ma a chrono any the pains near there me go through no. For working for 10 months I yinchia meka enra ya trema me me ntimi kotoy. Timi pese me busa say I am boni amaye say me say me nurse ni ana. Is it a crime to be a nurse in the country? If it is a crime, our leaders should let us know. Because me a health worker, me yaro come into me shame. Enra ya trama me ntimi koto. Enti boni na mayana. Won country.
Now is there no system within the health sector? Nurses mo say bi amo yare it will take care of you.
There's nothing. As a nurse, because I will yare word mama. Para na you have to pay. I was so quite to say obi ofra bontin so but there's no system in Ghana health service. Me operation am call I pay 3,500 cedis. 35 million. Me entry me can make a bob and the baby me disabled. Me papa is disabled. It me kobo besia 3,500 and I'm the drugs I prescribe my mintimin kotoy. I was send me daily wound dressing. They be me come here mikro. Mintimin komia because mintimin ton your mano. It me born in some year next niana.
Wow. So how have you been coping? One your boy my operation when you know.
May some of my colleagues in the any senior staffs in Bomu Jumam and the one man normal contribute to the Kakana or the Abuame. Or more me depending on them. Aside them, no, I don't have any hope.
So where were you posted? You posted wherever.
Ashanti region.
But if I don't know what you posted.
Me was Ashanti region, but now me walk Mpasaso. And you posted me call different districts. And baby, I'm a call, no, I don't have any family member there. It's on me high dying, mutual light bay. And then 3 days, and ECG able to me fuse. So I might disconnect my light input. What are the eba? It may rent or any challenges that me go through. Even feeding crown is even a headache because the operation now my and was a midi. But because I'm not having that financial strength, no, I don't have any option. Now that I'm here and the pains I me go through, no,
Now moko Ministry of Finance, no, or mama atoma assurance be a Chelsea be a you music antamana.
The Ministry of Finance is the same old stories now. Debia is in the pipeline. They are going to work on it. Deputy Minister and the receiving petition. The same thing okay. Or see we will hear from them.
Yeah, I think some days ago, unpaid teachers in the coalition for unpaid teachers and so called. Okachomo said they should be patient. Now they'll be featured in the November budget reading for 2026. Did he say the same thing to you? Say more than ever November budget anymore now?
Yeah, there one can be sample crunch, right? Or say they are going to work on it. Minister near round, and Minister Bobby Bonamania, then they are going to work on it. But person who says Deputy Minister no beje sabo so me so wagina ketchia, so wagina allowance. It is sabi, yeah, yenye Ghana fuana, and I said yenye government workers.
Thank you very much.
Bio ewa homano so. Enkansa mache. Enkansa.
Yeah, Mira.
Brown, I want to say.
Nyame adome ho yepa.
Yeah, the nyame ase. Good. Yanko pando boko dia cheme. Na me I wanna make say I am of the view say I am more mu hold executive position. Ewo party mu. Centennial elections ba nanka me pemu a nanka mun stay neutral. Ese den na yes Ashanti youth ni pe duo no. Maka mo ho abo ma mo support ama Owura Brian Champon.
Ya Mira. Beda wase. Se we obi a wadi Ashanti region politics MPP en samachiwa. Kabu se ye mebunu no. Yentai emfa non because your friend commanders say soldiers go striker there's all minor yina yi ni na say edrum ra yeso mebunu so no yeso so ye che de ye pe bi mane yi minim say ye for bebrebe regional chairman for be extra support ama candidates now do no and say she it is yeso so mebunu so no ye che de ye pa. And I say, who the past one no. Have you said the future belongs to the youth? Now, Bruno say, you take a decision. That's a one for one to most of them majority, no. Say, labor workforce, so bit my money here, Bruno. That's how come on to one. And I say, umpe or money, said the Abraham Lincoln, you know. Or is a more say, oh, minor, and no more, said Gomcasa, no more command one to know. And not here, press conference, now the MLA will say, because you should be him. Yeah, say, yeah, Champo. Oh, by the Saturday, the only idea Grano, or yeah, the John Domadi Mahama. Now, so no, as I did the Oka, Mary Cafe, now I feel maybe better to Montem, Sabe or Jumania Day, and you can see baby, and Undia, and that's it.
Ediana Muhu or Dr. Brian Champon.
Yes, Seminole, a Dawson, by a Brenty, what did you say? No, you know. Ama munyama odo bebre so efe enti mebo ne tofa ni nyina say o sha yedi kan party mu
Yetie o krache
but ye Dr. Becha di ya ni mu ni eche ti party so no nka bo mu ne ba me yedi kudim eno me kan say here present people ni biom eno ba me yedi kudim be ye mu bi yedi say a stronger party wins election. You can have a strong candidate. If the party is weak, you can win election. It is true that no, Dr. Brecho Pompa Jedika and Cabo Mobayaduma, Ama Etimi, yato aba ama MPP amia babiem the edi kan wo woni tia oba afa o sa tresa pinche si 2024 the ho kan obi sabe akwa ba o kan me ho o he da bia wona na ndc fo twefo yeso ye ka sa Dr. Bechampo oba bitu but the material minimum woni mo say Dr. Bechampo under leadership wo jimi sisi MPP ni bia wanye den e mani nyei the atosu mi no Dr. Bechampo o ye babulu sa wo ga o ye twefo twefo de munim sa wo Canada Prime Minister o ye babulu ene o ya Ghana fo nya na e tia ko Canada yo o babulu na bi so ye ka se ko timi bu won ma ewo Nigeria unko aka so be ko Canada ye say papa iti so Nigeria yi so Nigeria fo na Ghana so jini babulu yim no chese ye de ba beboa so wo ye Burkina Faso president e ko fa so ba ye me ne nya adwen de but na dwuma de untimi nga so wonya de eti ehun ya se yo ye babulu no ye de ba beboa chese nobody no bia pe babulu amana dem so yo tese kwatse obi front ma ya no wetie ni din ono aka se obe president e de na wa ye e de na ukura na obetima kasa ampa obetima di o ma nanim ye de kwadi sua fa mu a candidates e ba nyina bi no wa wasua the certificate e wasoro e chen e ye Dr. Bechampo de to so bi ye ka se ono aka sa no wa bie nimu ama ni pe de bia ya contribute to the economy na se ono so hobi obi a onya ni so ade no so obesi the biggest hotel in Africa no obe 29 years. It is any Paris award is what you just would tell man can amana, Obedian is what you want day. Eddie amount. I'm also so where they were to pong. It is sad, but I went to know. You would say the Dr. Bechampo bar. You will be a baboa. Nani, you have been paid for a quinano, or be a qualified. Yet I'll be the wedding could not be a bed.
I don't know what to say. I don't know about could be 70 cities.
And when Kukwana and you know, I almost say a man at Tonatono. And no the almost baako bia no e makwa no mo de sa we ne mo baako bia ye 70 cities esono no oga wuli esono no de ye kan e ye nkokọ ma no
esono sa nkokọ no ya mo sa bete no
e ye day old chicks no the American waters what was nkokọ ma nketenkete no a o be kan se be ma mo nkokọ nketenkete do ma maka me be ma mo nkokọ nketenkete na maye no enti mo ye na enkokọ ni nya na maton ni kwasua oga wuli we na video na mame oga wuli enkokọ nketenkete video no anya mame
me nya me go so me hwe me nya me go so hwe
enti san enkokọ na no se be ye wo mo ni aton wo mo nkwasua ne ye fa ne sen akokọ ni nyi na so wontimi ntu bie ma ne aton no and no mo say a great minister Ebeka ye say a minister for food and agriculture Eric Opoku say enkokọ nketenkete policy no omo be ma every constituency bia 10,000 na no omo use a beds kra omo say eye enkokọ no eye 3 million we are procuring me patron let me state him emphatically enkokọ nketenkete policy we are procuring 3 million beds each or say we are procuring 3 million beds each constituency will receive 10,000 this will not cost Ghana beyond you have said 200 million so that means it is 200 million me but the American what you say or say it is not going to cost Ghana beyond 200 million so that means enkokọ nketenkete no obo be procure 3 million beds which is day old checks no enkokọ nketenkete no eno na omo be procure when they procure that enkokọ nketenkete na omo be constituency bia say na me ka ne earlier no omo be constituency bia 10,000 no and ebe cost Ghana 200 million Ghana cedis and analysis here me gina ha sisi am ye say constituencies what enkra hakra no their constituencies are NDC won by more than 10,000 votes so assume see ye chan kokọ 10,000 ye ma obia baako mpo a NDC benya say NDC ni a oje enkokọ nketenkete policy no edi ye eti wo to aba ema adwoma ama no ye cha no 111 kwa munya bi okay so do you get where I'm coming from so unfortunately policy no me I didn't believe in that policy but unfortunately this is where we are and this is what we've gotten to this is what we believed in we decided to your friend saying trivialized free education. You decide this year the education ebe grad to pray. Na obi so obema ye nkokọ. Enti Ghana for ni enu modenti ye pe nkokọ. And then me na wo kan say, John Mahama we know. He has a very beautiful track record. And I no be oba first no. No also wo ye confirm. Me ne wo kan say en confirm no. Obi ani Ghana ho be ka so nya confirm ni bere ye. Enti nkokọ nso and na no se ni nsuo ye no sa na wia be ye. Nkokọ nso e be ye se confirm de na. Enti me no be wie na sa akokọ na John Mahama beka ye utiri mu de so ye be ye nkokọ se na be ye be jai coast to akokọ funu ne to ana nkokọ bo be ye fo amu atimi atobiare no me hya wo bo Ghana ni akoto aba se emfa enei nkokọ no 4 years ne be so no ba akokora betem kora wunya no awe enti se enu ti na gina so koto aba dia. I am sorry to disappoint you. I am very, very sorry. But this is where we have gotten to. What patron you betro bi ami akua meti hey. Emfa me ho because me na me nje nkokon kitinkiti ni. When I wuji die enti na akoto aba ma NDC. And then me no kasa wa wutro pensi. Me se akokon ye cha ne 111 kra wunya bi. Na anya me ame manto ama no. Mimi se mimi ni gidie wo nti man koto ama no. Ebusunfo, it's unfortunate, but this is what we have gotten to. Kobe. Oh, I know you don't care. That is why you voted.
Ekwenwa.
Eze nkokon keten de nyankopon de aba bedru no.
Ye ka muntie. David na me hunu. Kayo. Obana toyen. Ore besin owi yawadia we free. Se owi makodia. Uri mu besosio wa. Ekwie. Me makachira wo se. Mahama ohu. Kuraba. Sabi efrabo chere ba kura ye kuraba. Yes. Nyanwanwa o. Hwe ekwie yenko echi kakra na yenka Ghana bakwasem. Ye wo mayimu na yenya omampani bi ani efren Jerry John Rawlings. Woye NDC nim according to Jerry John Rawlings ne yire say obodi omumogya ene sign eye MDC party no right ena papa we beka kire ye say ono obeba ma ahiafo ni esikafo nyina ye pe yan kan fritete Bible say onko titia onko na wonko busa titia tempon no na won kire wo kwampa no faso anyankwaje ama won kra enti ye kofa ye wura Jerry John Rawlings de ne bayo ka say obema esikafo ni ahiafo nyina ayepe at ne bo shelu no ewi akire no Ghana ha akua menim se that time na so wanyini se wo kaye dia ye tweja tunkofo sikam se koko ahabai ye tweja tumu eja ye twa tumu de mankofo beye yafo na nkofo be kire wo na eye na Ghana fo no ye ninka ye enye wanwa se Mahama huru ya ka kire se we have a short memory because nia ye de ye papa mu ne ye nananom a amebi mu papa mu ne mu nananom ebi mu fie adi hia ebesi ne ejina Rawlings abreso I believe say oga wuli anyone or kai saso se be kai
Adebio na you see sa adie we kwa Rawlings be ye no o target account for specifically
wo cheja tu go ye cheja tu sikam yes sika se ne ye sikoko ahabai yes sika so the Yeshiko Kwabai. Now the two regions that were attacked was the Ashanti region and then the Bono half region. That time it was Brown half region. Woman was targeted was Shinko Fusika. And Anche at Yenya a year Yura Atamils. And Ben Rebecca Trey and say a year on Mampenico for the National Health Insurance now or Diabano. Ombe one-time premium. Ombe statue Ashanti region. Ekowi children one-time premium na akwadane nothing premium entimi ama so anya dwuma enanche ye wogana Mahama beka kire yen se wono wo ba obesisa ye beti petrol so ye be bibia drastically be yese ye light what kai yan kai hari na idrusu wase se Mahama ba adum dumuni be jai kekan ni chi tan tai kire yen ekowi a kire no ye daldum somwa almost 5 years and a Ghana for that dum somu nanu ya na Mahama sa be ka kire yen se onu krona sa ka kire yen se oh what the RAG communications say what kind RAG communication now yes the free one money
oh yes Rolanda Gambiri
yes yenya asun taba yenya saga yenya jida yakwa confirm and confirm to Bokina oma yakwa dua wo srem common sense ka akwala kura penini sabi de wa jimi kura no
what do I say and then nankasa where your prelims ya fe ne be na enkrofo bi nkwasiafo bi ko demonstration ra na san kwasiafo ne de ene no
ekuya me wasam wo kese ene me wo ene
me ba nkwasiafo me be sase abo mu video amamu
eja kuya ma me chanity ya na me ka kwese nyane se enkukon ketengete no hu he na wo de fa ne se ekuya fa ne se enkukon ketengete no kwasma ye kana wo de yemfa ne se ani wode nkokona ma 10,000 people na wo kan de nkokona ma wo mu ekuya obede no wo se ma wakoba akoyo ba na so ye be ma no would you common sense fanisa
me ba ko bi me ba odwan bi lady bi a no ho tatan bi ma ko hwe ni picture no ho tatan ni hu bi